What's going on? It is February 2nd in the crypto market. Exactly what we were expecting. We have the headline news for tariffs, which the stock futures are opening up very red, and now crypto's kind of following suit. So crypto's just kind of a leveraged version of the Nasdaq. That's kind of the easiest way to put it. And so I was following on Bitcoin, following this potential equilibrium. We've now broken bear, and we are looking down towards this low here, or this kind of volume profile here, this level. Or, I mean, if we lose all that, we could end up seeing the 200 moving average on the daily. So right now we are in 4-hour oversold, so we would be looking for we are looking for a bounce, but we can get more extended now that we have news headlines, very bearish news headlines. So this can get more extended to the downside. Yeah, we'll see where we bottom out on this move down, on this daily move down. But when we bounce on the daily, we're just looking for a lower high than 106.296. We should not be expecting a bounce to break that at this point, especially with the headlines. So we're dumping even further now today. Technically, this is February 3rd, but I'm recapping the 2nd. So yeah, this is not good. Not good. Ethereum. So I've been watching this falling wedge. We have hit the bottom trend line. We are seeing a reaction. We might just have to adjust it, but at this time the wedge is holding with a small breakdown, but bought right up. So I'm still watching that. Actually, I'm just going to keep it there just for now. Anyways, when this move up, we are approaching previous resistance, which may act as support. Oh, that actually was. It did act as support there. So we are bouncing off of previous resistance, using that as support at this moment. When we bounce on the daily, we would just be looking at a lower high. Maybe we see a move up to the upper trend line, but like I said, with these headlines, it's very possible that we fall through this, and then we're looking at these type of levels. So caution, we've lost the 50, we've lost the 200. This is what happens when, we broke out of this equilibrium, and now we're seeing real follow through. This could get ugly. Also on 4-hour oversold, so we are looking for a 4-hour lower high too. Hourly oversold. 15 minutes kind of bouncing, but this is very bearish. Not looking good going into the Monday open. XRP, what once was one of the better names, is now not. Now we closed with down 10.5% yesterday, and we're in the short amount of trading we've done, an hour and 15 minutes, we're already down another 9.2%. We've hit this support level with no follow through. We did get a bounce, or getting a bounce technically off this level. So once again, when we bottom out on the daily, when we bounce, we're just looking for a lower high at this point. And we are continuing our daily downtrend. Still looking for a weekly higher low than right here, 199 on XRP, but not looking good overall. We might see some good fear here. We're approaching daily oversold as well. Rune, I had nothing nice to say about this name before, and I still don't. When we bottom out on this move, like after this minus 45% day, we had a bit of a volume climax here, so that could be an indicator of a pivot, but we still have to break the high of this candle. So on Rune, we have to break 143.827, whatever the top is on your chart. We need to break that, but we're still looking for a daily lower high than 241.36, 36.11. So we might see even if we could still continue lower. But all we have below us is the, yeah, this low here. So we're trying to find a 3 month or 3 month higher low than this, which is like we're grasping at straws here, and then we just have the all-time lows to deal with after that. So yeah, hoping for a bounce here, but it's not looking good for Rune. These type of names, like I said, they're probably never going to see all-time highs again. It would take a lot, and these names, it looks like this we'll probably won't even see this level again. But to see that's probably won't happen with these altcoins. Alpha, let's see how alpha we're doing. Same kind of thing. We had a bear flag here. We've already broken bear on this with a minus 16.5% day. Seeing more follow through already today. Our next level is 0.04305239, which comes from this level here. Hoping for a higher low than that, which is the most likely scenario, but we're looking for a lower high on the bounce. But we still need to start seeing some trend changes, at least on the 4 hour, something at this point, but it all looks bad. Trump, who would have thought? Red. No love for Trump anymore. So this, oh jeez, oh I just put this up there, and it's already broken bear. So this was an inside bar. We've already broken bear on it. So we're looking down towards this recent low, and we're all-time lows as far as I'm concerned on this, whatever this chart is. I don't know if there's other levels on a different chart, but as far as this goes, our last support is 1856.9, and then it's just free fall below that. Solana, so we're coming from the all-time high still. We're just hopefully looking for a higher low than 169.38. Need to see something to turn us around. The bear news we can get extended. This is, if you were there for the COVID crash, it could always go lower. So we're hoping for a higher low than 169.38. We'll see if we can see a pivot happen at this point, like maybe an hourly pivot at this point. If we start slowing down here and see an hourly candle start breaking to the upside. But we're looking down. Everything's looking down. Kaspa, like I said, we've been kind of watching this big equilibrium, and this is a bad look that we are now breaking through. We didn't break through yesterday, but in the short amount of time, we've broken through without a lot of follow through so far, but we are looking down at that 1010 or 10128 support, which is a huge support level. If we lose this, there's going to be a lot of fear. We have a monthly head and shoulders we're looking at here. Very bad for Kaspa. We need to see something happen. We need to see a daily trend change, a 4 hour trend change, something at this point. But we are looking down at that key level. 0.10128. Sui. So everything's breaking down. And altcoins are going to break down worse than Bitcoin. Sui's at the 200 moving average now. This could be a head and shoulders technically. This could just be a weak right shoulder. That's all it was a bear flag anyways, or just got above. But with bad news, it acted just like a bear flag. And now we could see a significant follow through off this. We're at, see if we get 200 or support at the 200 moving average here. but, or actually same with this support, which we are close to right now. Besides that, I mean, we don't have a lot of volume traded in this area, so we'd be looking at the previous highs. I'd be looking at support here possibly, but not a lot of levels to play off of below this. So 297, 89, 720, 89, 9, 720. This level here. So that is a key point. We are reaching daily oversold, so that's could be, and directly from an all-time high. So that could be what triggers a bounce for sure. But yeah, definitely got the downside risk with having this head and shoulders break bear. We could see significant follow through at this point. Mochi, I don't think, yeah, I would have had nothing to say, nice to say about that one. It was a weekly inside bar, and we are looking right at the low of that level right now, of breaking that inside bar. If I was to bet, I would bet that we do. We established no supports on the way up. We are at what is this? Oh no, that's just we might see support at this previous resistance, but we are just looking for a daily higher low than this point right here, the 0.00009796. So that's what I'm looking at crypto. It doesn't look good. The market it might even get much worse on the open. So hopefully, actually I'll check to see what ES1, see how we're looking on the futures. Okay, so I mean, this is probably the most important stock market chart there is, and we essentially came from an all-time high, we made a higher low, we made a lower high, and now we've instantly broke into a lower low. So the daily trend change has officially confirmed, but with no follow through at this point. So that is a critical level to hold at this point. We are bouncing. Hopefully we keep bouncing, but maybe that's too wishful thinking, and we'll see how tomorrow opens. So yeah, that was a recap for February 2nd, and I'll see you tomorrow for the pre-market. Thank you.